Marlon's favorite person ever. If you thought you were her favorite person, sadly you were wrong. Yeah? Hi Rylan, I love you. I went out to the hallway because I was too embarrassed to record this in the classroom. But, bye-bye. We're here at the hockey game. We're not the Coliseum.
Hockey game.
And we're just here for the food, honestly.
If it's not a 10 out of 10, I'm gonna
She's back there. And there's chicken.
Yeah, she's still making the fries, guys. Oh, here she comes.
Oh, let's stop talking crap then. Oh, just kidding. Nope. Oh.
I'm hungry and I'm about to jump back there and get it myself. Marlon, are you in? You gonna do it?
I got you.
They gave us some off-brand, but it's good though. It's good, I mean.
It's mid. Oh, here's food. Thank you. Hey guys, we're at another Checkers hockey game. They're currently losing though.
Let's do it.
Go Checkers.
Go Checkers!
This lady just hit me with her cowbell. Wow. She ranged it near my head. She was like... Okay.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your full name. Do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support and defend the United States Army.
What are we doing as a program? What are we doing, bro? They just sitting there talking like we're on the
Spirit, our friends from Sever want to find the most spirited fan of the game. So stand up and get ready for more Showman Checkers.
Yeah. They're about to bust.
We gotta hit a little taste test. I think they're good.
Everybody say hey to the vlog, guys. W day, yeah, we lost, but that's okay. Do you want to be in it?
In your hands, Lauren. What's in your hands? Toxic substance. Yay! Can I touch it?
It feels cold.
Oh, I don't know how to feel about it.
It's like it would be cotton candy flakes.
Drink it. Just like cut a hole in it.
Not to.
Oh. We're doing a lab. And what?
I'm not holding this. How am I going to take it?
You gotta do both. And we're doing a lab and my car's in the lab. Because my car is the lab.
It's like the water is like sitting away. Read that fast.
It's already green.
Yeah. Bro, look at this.
Welcome to my ASMR. My name is Lauren. I'm good at ASMR because I'm Asian. Have you seen those ice eating videos on Instagram? That's me. What's your name? Lauren. Why are we whispering? It's an ASMR. What's today? Tuesday. What's today? The 14th. I'm gonna fight you. What's today? Oh, what's today? Valentine's Day. There we go. Do you have a Valentine? Yes. Is it me? Absolutely. Only me? No. Trin, say hey. Say hey. Say hey.
Hey guys. Oh, I was looking right there. Hey guys. There's Trent.
Trin, we're coming back to you in a second. What are your plans for Valentine's Day? Cheering at a basketball game. That's it. Say bye. Bye. Okay, ready? Ready?
Oh, stand it up.
Wait.
Stand down, stand it up.
What's your name?
Trenton.
What's today?
Valentine's Day. Tuesday.
Yes. Do you have a Valentine?
No.
How come?
I don't know. Ask her. I don't.
Her? Who do you want to be your Valentine?
You know. I keep stuff private. You know.
Can we have her initials?
Let's go. J.
J?
Oh, J. Last name T.
JT. Do you have any? Do you have anything you want to say to her if she was watching this?
I'm not good with hints. Please say something. I'm not
Give
good
my boy a hint.
No,
Oh,
just say it.
tell
Just
it
say
straight up.
Yeah,
Don't
okay.
give him a hint.
Yeah.
I mean, give him a hint, but like, keep it real with him.
Yeah. I'm dumb, but I'm slow, so you gotta say stuff like that. But,
Okay, any closing words?
no.
Thank you. Please let me go wake Gallop with it. Please let me wake her up with it.
Mama, is this reusable?
Uh-uh.
Did you just use it one time?
No, but
Hey, oh, fun.
You said 595.
Oh, wait, everyone.
Oh, goggles.
Put your goggles on, guys. Right. Just before you try to put it on there. You're locked in. You're locked in.
and then what? Oh, and then you pull
Yeah, now you gotta pull the card out.
Go.
Where's his phone?
How did y'all's work so perfectly?
That's not funny.
Interesting.
It's not funny.
That looks brown. Oh, why does it spill so much?
At night, and I've decided that I'm gonna dye my hair. We're bagged up. That's what. Okay. We're exploring Matthew's backpack.
I don't know what that is.
There's an old guy
It looks like a Buddha thing.
made of wood.
Those of you that got double stamps, you're getting twice the extra credit. You got the extra credit from yesterday and the extra credit.
I only got one. I only got one stamp. Anyways,
Teacher of the year.
there's water.
Water to stay hydrated.
Yeah, it's cold. How you keep your water so cold, Matthew? Trash. There's more trash, but we won't expose Matthew like that today. Okay. I don't want to go inside the backpack. It's okay, there's nothing valuable in here. His wallet might be in here. There's a gun. Oh, there's a pocket knife. Is there really? No, there's not. Oh. He has watermelon gum. Really? Yeah. Go ahead and slide me a piece. It's empty. Never mind. The wallet? Yeah. It's very soft. Very nice wallet, Matthew. Okay. We have some football all the many tickets. Football game tickets. Money. We got a little bit of chump change. He has a $2 bill. He has two $2 bills. So Matthew's just balling out, is what I'm hearing. Where's his license at? Let's look at his license picture. Oh, go back in. 10 out of 10 picture. You look adorable, Matthew. Lauren makes us origami stuff, and Matthew kept a boat. One of your butterflies is my bookmark. Take a photo of that. Noted. Nice to know that I matter, guys. Look, there's a CVS pharmacy card. Ooh. I'm more of a Walgreens girl myself. Me too. Auto Drivers Club. What's that mean? Look, there's a hamster on him. I think that's like an old card. Don't know why there's a hamster. There's a Barnes & Noble gift card. Why? I don't know, because Matthew does not read. Oh, he was going to use it to buy a record, but the records are like $1 million at Barnes & Noble. And yeah, that's the wallet tour. It's brown. I'm waiting for Matthew to look over here and be like, what are you guys doing? Right, he hasn't noticed yet though. Let me close it back up the way it was. Why is it so hard to close his pocket? He has a blue pencil. If you're not a fan of blue pencils, we got a regular pencil. I need a piece so bad. Oh. Why does Jared have so many tabs open? Because we were stalking the FRQs and how I got that one completely wrong. Literally, how... There's a candy cane in here. Matthew had like 50 candy canes. Oh, it's broken. He caught on us. Dude, he caught on to us. Why are you holding my book like that? Give it back.
What'd you say?
What are we talking about for real?
You know exactly what we're talking about.
Why are you like pointing that book at us like you're about to hit us?
I'm not.
During Women's Month? Women's History Month? It's Women's History Month. During Women's History Month? Oh my god, I think I just broke yours. Okay, just go. Matthew's like, cut the cameras. Okay, so where's my FRQ at? That one? Yeah, that one. Move! Okay. Oh wait, I think I got that right. I low-key got it right.